The other issue that happens from time to time with coin mechs are coin jams. So there are a couple of easy things you can do just to check if there is a coin jam or where that coin jam may be. Sometimes it will be on the top of the chamber. So you just remove that, and there may be an incorrect size coin that's gone into that wrong chamber, might be sitting on the top, or you might have a coin or two that might fall through. Obviously just remove anything that has jams, make sure it's all the correct coins in the correct tubes, and place it back in. Best practice is to always do a test vend with coins once you've corrected it, just to ensure that it does go into the correct chamber and everything is functioning properly. Other area where you may have to get jammed is in this top section, so you just pull in that little tab and there may be coins stuck in there, or again in this section through here. So obviously just again remove any jams that may be there, and use good practice just give it a bit of a clean if you're seeing some dust through there as well, just with a slightly damp cloth is best. And last but not least, up the top here, you can open this flap up and just check for coin jams in there. You can remove this whole top section by just pressing this little blue tab down, and that will then come forward on a 45-degree angle, and you can then remove that, just the electrical plug on the back there, which you can remove if you wanted to look at it in more detail. But that opens up again, you can clean it. Ensure that this little section here is clean as well, because that coins can get stuck in there if that's sticky, if somebody's put something like Vacheron tape down there. Just be careful when you are opening this flap. If you do over extend it, it may break the bracket in there. So common error people make, so just be very cautious when you are opening that. And to put it back in, just one up little lugs with the opening there, and simply clicks back and you're ready to go.